channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're brand new and you're just finding me, hi, welcome. My name's Olivia, and I would love it if you wanted to stick around a while, hit the red subscribe button down below and join my channel. Or if you are a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. It's always so nice to see you. And by the way, guys, you can always find me over on Instagram. I'm at OliviaFredaCurves over there, and that's always linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, you guys. I hope you're doing well. I'm coming at you with the first of a new series that I'm going to try. Very excited to share with you bra tips, bra try-ons, all things bra related. It's probably one of my most asked questions. I get lots of DMs about it. I get lots of comments about it. People want to know about bras that fit for kind of a larger, curvier body, larger chest, all of that kind of stuff. What brands, where do you find your bras, what strapless bra is your go-to, all of those types of questions that I get constantly about bras. So I want to share with you tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. Am I an expert? No, I'm not. I'm by no means a bra expert, but I have to say, I think I'm pretty good at finding the right brand that doesn't compromise style over fit, or doesn't compromise fit over style. Brands that have a really great size inclusive range can be incredibly discouraging. So if you've been in a change room with 20 different bras that you've tried on and you feel so tired and exhausted and discouraged because none of them fit right, you know, you've tried on 9 different strapless bras and nothing is working. Believe me, I've been there. I've tried it. It's all about trial and error, and I want to share with you the brands that I truly have had success with and honestly love. So I want to share that with you. So that's going to be today's video, is going to be sharing with you one of the brands that I really, really love. I have worn this brand for years. Big thank you to the brand Parfait for sending me these bras to share with you today. I love this brand. I have worn them, like I said, for years, and they are a brand that believes that there is a bra for everybody. They have a great size inclusive range. They don't compromise fit over style or vice versa. But today we're going to get into these bras from Parfait. I cannot wait to share this whole video with you, and I can't wait to get into more different series that come along with bras, because I know firsthand how hard it is, and I want to make it easy. So let's try and figure this out together, and let's just have some fun with it. If you're interested in joining me on a bra video, then let's get into it, and thank you so much for watching. So we are jumping right into it with one of the favorite pieces from the whole haul. This is the Jeanie bra, and I absolutely love it. I will try and link all of the bras down below so that if you're interested in checking them out, you can. But this is just a typical nude bra. I wanted to include it. I think it's so important to have that kind of everyday bra that you can wear under almost everything. And this, I believe, is definitely one of them. And I personally wear a 38D. So every single bra in this haul you're going to find is a 38D. It's, again, that really gorgeous nude color. I do think that they have different colors in this. This is one of their like staple bras. It's just so comfortable. I love the quality. The fit is fabulous. The straps are very supportive and they're not digging in. I have worn this for work. I've worn it all day. I don't feel uncomfortable with this in any way, shape, or form. Also, you can see from the side, another thing that's really important when you're bra searching is you want to have a bra that holds everything properly in the cups and you're not spilling over it. Okay, so let's take a peek from the back. I will show you, it does come with a pair of matching underwear. These are so pretty. And okay, so just threw on the underwear. I am wearing them in a size extra large. They are not shapewear. They are just, you know, nice regular underwear, but they do match the bra, so what a pretty set. I think it's so nice to have like your classic nude, your black, and your white, and this would definitely cover off that really classic kind of nude set in my wardrobe, and I just love the fit of them. They're very soft. So super cute, love this. They have a little like bow at the top, and I just love it. So overall, I just think that this is a really great bra, and I think it's my favorite out of the whole bunch, only because of the versatility of this type of a bra. I love it. I think it can work with everything. Nude can go, of course, under black, white, or any color. Like, it's just a very good neutral to have in your closet. But that being said, let's get into the rest of the bras. Okay, so next up we have the Paige contoured bra, and I really like this bra for a number of reasons. First of all, I think it's really nice that the one thing I noticed, the straps have like a padding on them, and of course we know if we've worn a bra all day, it can be uncomfortable. The straps can start to dig in. It's really soft. I feel like little pillows on my shoulders. And then the actual design of the bra is beautiful as well. So it's got a great support to this one. The structure is really nice. And then the design is really fun because they have like a mesh kind of lining here where you can see like a peek through of nude, which is really cute. Again, no spilling over, so it's just a really nice cup, very supportive. So just showing you the back so you can see, again, not digging in. It's just a really nice fit from the side as well. And also the underband. So that's also super important. I didn't mention that with the nude. You don't want something that's digging in underneath. Again, that can be a sign that the band itself is too small and you're ultimately just going to be uncomfortable. You don't want to rip off your bra at the end of the day because you're sick of it digging in, and that can be, the band is too small. So that's super important just to take note of that. Let me just show you the underwear that goes with this bra. These are the pair of underwear that matches with this bra, and they're super cute. They're kind of like that bikini brief where they show a little bit of skin. They are a little bit lower, but they are super soft, kind of like that material that's over on the lining of the straps. You're getting that in the underwear as well. They have a little bit of mesh on the inside, just a fun little detail, and yeah, super cute. So that is the Paige contour bra. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so let's get into this Vanna plunge padded bra. I love this bra so much. It's so incredibly comfortable, and it's a little bit more of a unique style, which I really like. They've tried to do something a little bit different than the typical kind of nude, like lacy bra, and they've added the cups, but then it's got a lace overlay over top, which is just kind of sexy. It's really feminine. I just think it's like super darling, like it's really cute. But let me talk about the fit. Like I mentioned, the actual bra itself is got this lace overlay in this ivory kind of color, and then it's got this like nude underneath it peeking through. So I don't know if you can kind of tell, but there's just that cup underneath, which is holding you in, it's supporting you, and then you've got that really pretty lace overlay, which is just like a really beautiful detail on this bra. So I love that. Straps feel a little bit more supportive almost, because this band up here is a little bit more, it's a little thicker. Do you know what I mean? I'll show you the back as well. So this underwear, guys, how beautiful is this? So they're almost kind of like that little lacy, cheeky look at the bottom. Very pretty colors together. I just love the combination of that nude and ivory color. And then it's just got, they come up nice and high-waisted. So on me, they're gonna kind of come up, you know, little bit higher, but I just love the fit. And they're very comfortable. Again, I picked them up in a size extra large. Look how pretty. So again, wearing that with this bra really goes nicely together. And you're kind of getting that little cheeky detail from the scalloped edges on the lace as well, and it just adds to the whole look for sure. I think it's really beautiful, and yeah, let's move on to the next bra. Okay, let's get into this bra. This is the Charlotte padded bra. This is very sexy. This one, to me, just feels like, I don't know, it's got like satin vibes with it. Has almost kind of a little bit of a push-up feel that's creating a little bit of cleavage. It's gorgeous. I love this bra so much. and everybody needs like that bra that kind of like makes them feel that little bit more sexy when they put this on. Do you know what I mean? So this is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to give you a little bit of a closer view on this one. So like I said, it is a padded bra. This one is gonna give you that a little bit more cleavage than the other ones. And it's got these details on it that give it like a very sexy, like Bond girl vibe. You know what I mean? Like there's just something about this one that is a little bit extra. And I'm here for that. It's got a beautiful big bow in the center that just kind of like adds to it. It just, oh, I can't tell you, I love this bra so much. And it's still very supportive. Sometimes sexy bras can be uncomfortable and like digging in and like the material just doesn't work. But this one is definitely still extremely supportive. I love it. And let's just show you kind of the straps on the side. And then we're not getting any of the, like I mentioned, not spilling over. So love this bra so much. Let's show you from the back as well. So that is just a little view from the back so you can see again, fits really nicely, not digging in, super, super pretty. These are the bottoms. They are all over kind of like a really nice satin finish, and they have the same bow that the top has as well. So I'm gonna put these on just so you can see the whole set together, just so you get a whole vibe, you know? I just love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a little peek of what the underwear look like. They come up nice and high-waisted, and this satin material is so comfortable. For fancier, you know, bottom, they are really comfortable and they're super soft. So I love these paired together. This makes the outfit that much more of a sexy vibe. I think it's so important just to have like that one set that really just makes you feel super sexy. And if it's just for you, just to throw them on under your favorite dress, just know that you're just like feeling so good. I love it. Okay, so let's move into a bralette. Super excited to share this one with you because I always find that looking for bralettes, sometimes they can look so adorable in store, but brands don't always make, you know, bralettes that also fit a larger chest properly. They don't always support as they need to, and that can be an issue. So I love Parfait's bralettes. They're extremely comfortable, really cute, but then they also have the support, which is great. This one is the Jade bralette, again 38D, and it's really beautiful. It's got this gorgeous floral detailing all over. Now they do come with pads in them, but I always, with bralettes, I always take the padding out because I don't like to have it in there. If I'm wearing a bralette, typically I want it to be like less bulky. I don't want the full feel of a regular bra. So I really, you know, like the option of having to be able to take out those pads. And then it's just a really pretty bra. So from the side, you can see again, really nice, good coverage, not any overspill at all. I love this bralette. It's adorable. Just showing you the back as well. They do have the clasp closure, which you don't always get with a bralette. Sometimes they're just the ones that you kind of pull over on and you're good to go. But sometimes it is nice to have that kind of closure just for comfort as well. When you're kind of putting them on and taking them off, it's nice to be able to kind of like just undo it that way. I love this as an option for wanting those lighter days where you're just wearing a bralette, comfortable, good to go. This is a perfect option. Let's move in to the next bra. Okay, let's get into the final bra, which is this strapless bra. This is the Elissa strapless bra, and you guys, if you're looking for a strapless bra that actually holds up, that actually supports you, that, you know, you basically could wear all day, all night and just feel comfortable, this is definitely the bra. I can't even tell you how hard it has been to find a strapless bra that actually supports me and doesn't feel uncomfortable. you know, it's very difficult. And this actually is the very first one that I have another strapless bra that I will share in another video that I do like as well, but this one takes the cake only because of the design of it. So what do I mean by that? The reason I love this one so much is because it almost has like a bustier kind of support about it, where it's a longer lined bra. So that length that you're getting into the midriff area here contains like these, it's like got the boning that has extra support. They hold you up. They are adding that extra level of structure to a strapless bra that needs it. And it also has the silicone at the top, which just adds that extra level of you know, grip that sometimes you need with a strapless bra as well. It's just, I love it. I love it. Let me show you the back as well. Getting a full back with this one, it really also provides that extra level of coverage. So it's almost as if it's kind of like a tube top or like a bandeau style top, where it has that extra level of support. And then it also has that like bustier style clasp where it's got clasps running all the way down. And the one thing I will say is with this style, I probably would be comfortable or even more comfortable sizing down to a 36, just because I have like a little bit of extra room where I know that if it was just like that little bit tighter, I'd feel even more secure. And I do suggest that also with your strapless bra to size down a little bit in the band, because sometimes that's where you're going to get that extra kind of grip and support, is when the band is nice and tight and it feels really secure. This bra specifically has a really nice pair of matching supportive shapewear. So I'm going to quickly put this on with it just so you can see kind of like the full effect of having both on, which you might wear shapewear if you're wearing like a strapless bra, you might want shapewear on underneath. So let me show you the matching one. Okay, so hopefully you can see the shapewear with this set. I just love this whole look as well. It's almost like a vintage vibe, like 1940s kind of style. I just love it. And wearing this type of shapewear with this outfit, I honestly still feel very girly and sexy, and like it just feels pretty. Sometimes shapewear you can put it on, and even though it's necessary, sometimes like you do need a good pair of shapewear where you might just feel like uncomfortable but you're like held right in. These do that as well, but they feel pretty. So yeah, love this set, love these shapewear underwear, but also I'm in love with the fact that I found a strapless bra that works. Let me know down in the comments if that's a struggle for you and you've like never been able to find something that genuinely works. This is just a good find. You know, you just gotta celebrate the little things here and there. So love this set, so beautiful, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. So that is gonna do it for this video about bras and showcasing one of my absolute favorite brands, Parfait. Another big thank you to them for sending me the items for this video. But as always, I'm so curious which one was your favorite. I would love to know that. Also, if you have any questions, if you have questions about bras, if there are things that you know you're curious about, or you just need to know, or you need help with, let me know in the comments down below. I am happy to help, and I'm so happy to have this type of conversation when it comes to bras and the shopping for bras and all of the things that come along with finding the right bra. Every bra is different, every body is different, and it's difficult, it can be discouraging, and I just want to help you find bras that fit properly and, you know, share tips and tricks along the way that I've learned. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more about bras and all of that kind of stuff, because I would love to share that with you. Just, you know, help my community, because I love you guys and I just want to offer support, literally, with a bra and also as a friend. You know, I just want to be there for you guys, and if I can do that through things like this, then let me know. I'm happy to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget you can find me over on Instagram. That's linked in the description box down below, and don't forget to turn on those alarm bells to get notified when I post new videos. I'm posting lots of new types of content as well lately, so don't miss out when I do post you know, the different styles of videos as well. Make sure you are subscribed, and that's gonna do it. I guess I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.